Hi, good morning my dear students. Yes, last class, yesterday we have discussed very important chapter of the continuity and differential. Already I said to you, maximum question arises 15 to 18 marks question will be there. So here today most important 1 or 3 marks question will be there. I am discussing with here. So already you know that what do you mean by continuous? No break, no jumps. It is a common word. Then you are going to express by the another most important by the mathematical way coincide each other. That is also most important. And along with the definition, suppose f is a real valued function is a subset of real number and c be the point of domain. Then limit extends to c, f of x is equal to f of c. So that is the most important. So commonly you can think about one of the greatest point. Limit extends to c, f of x is equal to l, it is called limit. Limit extends to c, f of x is equal to f of c, it is called so continuous. So LHS is equal to RHS equation. So these are the pattern of equations of all those. Same similar definitions of the differentiability, same mean value theorem, Cauchy mean value theorem and Rolle's theorem. All those are very important in this chapter. Let us discuss first problems. Which one those are there? Discuss the continuity of the function f given by. Look at the function first. F of x is equal to mod of x. What do you mean by mod? So let us consider this equation. So f of x is equal to modulus x. It means the maximum conditions is greater than or equal to 0. It is called modulus function. In the first year, that first chapter, second chapter, relational function, we are going to express for this equation. Please try to remember. Go to home and discuss this one. So let us discuss the problem first. Then convert this one in the form of signal. So here, so minus x, if x is less than 0, why can take minus x? So when you can take the minus, the less than 0. So this condition it will happen. So this is called, shall I take negative number? Negative number means decreases. Decreases means LHL. Clear? In the step, first to find out when they have given a limit. First find out LHL and RHL. Both are equal, it is continuity. So one is small, one is big, then it happens. That it cannot happen. When it happens, it is a discontinuity. So for example, here two beautiful hands are there, right? Both are equal. God has created. It is continuous. When it cuts this one, so feel about this one. So if both are equal, both are not a coincide. Hence it is a discontinuous. Here, continuous. This is in your body is also continuous and discontinuous functions are there. So here, shall I take plus x? If x is positive is there greater than 0 and another condition equal. So here positive here increases, right? Then RHL finish. So now I am going to find out EG for the equation. So when you can take f of x is equal to, so x because the reason at x is equal to 0. So then only I can split up this equation. So in that way, so x is greater than 0, x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, is it positive? Yes, it is a positive. So next, I am going to put f of 0. So it should be 0. When at x is equal to 0, the result should be 0. Next, I am going to find out LHL. So limit x tends to 0, which is the condition 0. So it means left hand side, not a negative. Left hand side. So f of x, what is the value? Left hand side. So here, so minus x. So apply the limit. Apply the limit. F of x. So f of 0. It means 0. It means 0. Right? Here the limit. That limit point applying the equation. Right? So this is the LHL. RHL. So limit x tends to, right, plus it is positive means what? Right hand side. So f of x. So where is the function? So positive function is there. Here, this one, x. Substitute or apply the limit in this function. F of 0. It means 0. Look at LHL and RHL. Hence, LHL and RHL both are coincide. What is the spelling? Sorry, coincide, right? Or overlap each other, right? So therefore, F is continuous at x is equal to 0. Hence, prove that. This is the 5 marks question also. You have 1 marks question, 2 marks question. They have given different numbers here. So then applications are there. In the next, I can go to another different provinces are there. So here the second problem, most important, right? Solution given. So f of x is equal to, what is the value? x2 plus 3. So here 1. Conditions are most important. Look at the condition first. Observe this one. Right? Very clear observation. So this one is 100% at x is equal to first point. So at x is equal to 0, if f of x is, shall I take 1? No problem. When you can put f of 0, it means 1 because there is a constant function, right? So I can take at x is there. But how you are going to find out for the LHS and RHS? That is the question. So keep in your mind what they have given condition. Here, not equal to 0. You can think about 2 conditions. One may be positive, another may be negative. Because the reason not equal to 0 means what? So some people guess for the positive, some people guess for the negative. Shall I take LHL if f of x are applied for the limit x tends to, what is the value? So here at x 1 negative, right? Negative means left hand side. F of x, what is the value? So x cube plus 3, right? So it means apply f of 1, what is the value? 1 cube plus 3, right? Shall I take? Right? So negative is there. So another thing, RHL, limit x tends to 1. So it expresses f of x. Already I said to you, there is a positive. Here positive is there. Keep in mind, don't take this one. Already I can guess negative. I am only guessing. So already they have said that x is equal to 0 means what? Positive. Then upside numbers are there. They are not particularly negative. So then only this equation will be taken. Right? Already here that concept. Right? So here apply f of 1 is equal to 1. So LHL is equal to RHL. What is the result? 4. So LHL is 4. RHL is 1. So look at this one. Therefore, f is not a continuous at x is equal to 1. So hence, x is equal to what is the value? So they have given for way 0, right? So check it. X is equal to 0 means what? Here 0, here 3. Clear? So here x is 0. It means here 0. Result is 1. Constant is there. So here x is 1. 2 problems we have solved at a time. So this is the 3. 3 is not equal to 1. Reason is there. Show that the function f is what they have said, not a continuous. Not a continuous. Show means what? Not a continuous. When they have given show that f is continuous means what? Unconsidered. consider both equation here, right? That is also most important when you try to understand question also, right? Show that f is not a continuous. Then only I can take this one. Yeah, here that positive. Why I am not consider positive numbers? These two numbers I can take here positive also. Both are equal. Hence it is a continuous. But what the result is there? Not a continuous is there. That's why I can take these two different things. So this is the problem. Very important 4 marks question will be arises part E section. Right? So next class another few examples are there. Work on with the continuity. Thank you so much. I'll continue the next class.